out 300 feet. Nice. Later, Cygnus. Get out. Get that person out. Yeah, baby. I got you on tape. Sorry, buddy. I got one more up front. One more up front. I got one more there. I got Barry in that spot. What? Straight back. Straight back. Hey, right here. Straight back. Yep. Top or bottom? Hey, you know the wooden hey. You know the fort? You know where the fort is? Do you know where that bunker that's next to the fort, that's down low? Got somebody there. Brad, bump, Brad. Luke 1. Go, Luke. Go. Get to a bunker. Go. Go. Get to that stand up. Get to the stand up. What? Fuck.
One for one, that's okay. I don't mind that.
Payne. See that board? I need you in that board. I need somebody in that board. This board right here. Yeah. Where are they shooting from?
Up top.
They're all up top?
I got one up top, one on the side, one on both.
Where's that one on the side at?
That's Trigger happy.
Oh, is it? Where's Trigger?
Right on this corner.
He's on which corner? Okay.
Put it right on the crack.
Where? I'm gonna need you to burst. I'm gonna need you to burst, and burst till I can get to where I need to get.
You want those two right there, huh?
Who? It's gonna be Trigger and it's gonna be Lucky.
Let me see. Get that one to the top. I don't have an opening. Tree. Oh, okay. Right here.
You got something for me?
That's very top.
It is.
Ready?
No.
What do you want me to do? Up top or the corner?
Do up top, because corner's gonna have to take a deal.
I really don't have a good shot on up top. Now I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
Go. Billy. 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 Suppress them. Put them down. Hey! Oh, you know what? Shit. I'm gonna take it out. I'm out of paint. They said what? We got one respawn?
Yeah.
I'll take it out. That was a good fight.
Yeah, we only got one left now. Up in the tower. Yeah, man, I need to hit you fast.
What's that?
I need to hit you fast.
Oh.
Paying way too much attention to the right, and I'm like, I haven't even looked left.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was meaning to talk to you about. Always watch your six.
Oh yeah, no.
Dan is such a creepy guy, dude.
Who?
Dan?
Yeah.
Abu?
Oh yeah.
If you ain't watching your six, he will bunker you.
Normally I do, but that time I was so, zeroed in on whoever was in front of me. I'm like, I haven't looked back in a while. This could suck.
I saw some heads moving. I was like, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't hear you call out over there.
Oh, that's all right.
I know you were in a good bunker, but I know you're hunkered down in it. But to hear you, I didn't hear you, but I didn't even know if I was even getting paint on you. I was just spraying it.
You got me right back here.
Okay.
I didn't take enough paint for that game.
I took 3, and I went and made the move to the fort to get it. I got there.
Once we got our sniper out of the sniper bush.
Yeah.